now cook these slicing potatoes. Now I'm going to put this in the middle of the stove, cooking on. Come on.
Put in the middle, or bring in the middle.
And okay, let's try to make it from the middle of the stove. Yes, that's not good. Now I'm starting to cook like a big grown-up. What? Let's wait for the steamed oil spawn of spices. One. Okay. Okay, let's still wait for the moment and make it from this start, and also let's wait for the next few days. And also, why don't you come and cook with me? Do you want to? Okay, I'll teach you how to cook. Do you know or no? One. Now, okay, why don't you come and try? Want to? Okay. Let's start to have some more. More. And this are going to start. Oh. Mommy will like to eat, and also this is her favorite. And why don't you come and cook it with her, with me too, so that she'll just go and say, "What cook is this?" And after that, let's eat too. That's the one that I cooked. That it's my favorite. Hi, I forgot. Let's put it in the water. I think it's going to be cooked. And also, why don't you come? Come! You want I'll teach and you look only? Okay, I'm just going.
Say bye.
It's good to put on the bowl and put help. Why don't you come and help me, please? Go and try.
Yum, yum.
Yummy. Why don't you go and try? Eat some. Okay. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, don't forget, hit the bell.